What's going on, guys? I'm back with Ceed.
Hey guys.
I'm going to Fun Time. Not sure if you ever heard of that, but basically there's arcade games, go-karts. I couldn't think for a minute. He takes his stance. I didn't get to finish what I was saying. Okay. Okay. Oh man, no, not okay. Go ahead. Why does it still go in? Man. Nicely done. I did. Don't mess up.
One eternity later.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. Hello?
Did I get stuck? What?
Oh, it's down there.
Oh. How did that happen?
Hole in one.
Oh. Wait, it's still going. Hey, mate, what are you doing in my space? Touchdown! This road is very distracting.
What?
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 Huh?
Huh?
What?
What?
We can talk it out, I promise. Just calm down. You're okay. The final round. So how's your day? Go! Jeez, I'm tripping over rocks. Yeah!
All right, win us that free game. He has to get in the middle hole.
No. Oh! No.
Oh man.
That was so close. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm sweating. As I was saying, we are sweating. It's like 90 degrees outside. Now we're in the arcade inside with AC, and I feel so much better.
Oh. And it doesn't jip you. It doesn't jip you. Got it. I got it. I want a ball.
And you're gonna give it to who?
I don't know. You want it?
You can give it to Lane.
I need 100.
We only spun it once.
I need 1,000. 40. I'll take 40.
Hey, nice spin. 40 tickets, huh? Pull the handle to spin the wheel, hey. That spin rocks, hey. Way to go. Hey, nice spin. 40 tickets, huh?
Alright, we are done. We did some arcade games. Well, I think I got some footage of that. We got 500 tickets. And there was this cute little penguin stuffed animal that it was so cute, and it was like $7.50, and the owner gave it to me. Isn't he cute? Ah. Okay.
So there are your tornado warnings for Kalamazoo.
We have a tornado warning. Our TV just like froze. My grandma's making dinner. Like, who makes dinner in the middle of a tornado watch? Okay, we are finally free of the tornado warning. Nothing happened. We're all safe. A little bit of thunder here or there, a little bit of lightning here or there, a little bit of rain. But the big thing is we're safe. So I'm going to end off the video here. If you guys liked it, smash the like button, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video.